Good morning, people. Today is the last day we stay in Bogota. Tomorrow we have off our motorcycles. We are really excited. We still need a bag though for Saskia. We still have some package to store, but her backpack is full and carrying everything on the back might be a bit too hard. So we go to Siete de Agosto. It's known for its motorcycle stores. So let's see if we are finding something. We already searched online yesterday for some like dry bags, like 40 liters, but the most were just too expensive, out of stock, or simply not available in Colombia. So let's see if we are finding something today. Okay, so in the first store so far we found a bag and it cost like around 40 euros. Pretty fair for a 25 liter motorcycle dry bag. But let's see, we are not even in Siete de Agosto yet. We are kind of finished with Siete de Agosto. Found some bags, but not really more than we found in the first one. They only have like 3 different brands, so like FP parts, Vetrox or so. But sadly, none of them are really fitting that well. So we are going to die now and going to the first store. And the thing in the city is, it is so goddamn loud, so you can't really concentrate on what you are saying. I hope it is going to be better if we are leaving Bogota tomorrow. So we are done eating now. We actually ate 3 times in a row in the same restaurant because it is super cheap, like 16,000 pesos per really big food, 1,000 or 2,000 pesos per soup. So around 34,000 pesos in euros is 4 euro per lunch. It's actually more than enough. We go back to our hotel now, grab our stuff, and then we see if the bag we found is enough or not. As we arrived in our hostel, we got 2 mails from the Rund saying that our motorcycles got registered to our name. You already know the plates. Tomorrow at 2:20 p.m. we can collect the bikes and finally go out of the city. So we are actually done with buying the bag. It was the first one we saw, the 25 liters in grey. We bargained a little bit and we got it for 38 euros or 166,000 pesos. It's pretty cheap compared to the other stuff we saw. So, well done. The day is finishing. We are going to our almost last estate. We are going to my plaza in QS, going to buy some camping cook equipment and plates. And after that, we are just going to return our suitcases we came with.
Sure.
We finally made it out of the My Plaza NQS, the big building in the background. We got something to eat for the evening, and we got some camping dishes, some gas, and some cooking equipment from Decathlon. Now we ordered an Uber for the next 6 kilometers back to our hostel. The last night will be interesting. We are really excited about tomorrow, picking up the bikes and going out of the city. But we already ordered some handguards from Rooster Parts. Finally, with everything packed up, we are going to return our suitcases they came with by plane. We had a kind of struggle because we needed to put a lot of stuff into the suitcases again because we can't carry them on the bikes. So let's see how we are doing. Sadly, I forgot my
Einfach rumholen.